Cattleytonia, why not roundabout? This is a hybrid orchid. It's considered the first hybrid as it comes from two species. This beautiful hybrid orchid is a combination of Guarianthe Aurantiaca and Broughtonia Sanguinea. It was originated by Stewart Incorporated in 1979. It's considered the primary hybrid because it's a cross between two species. A beautiful compact plant which is characterized by those flowers which have red color and yellow. Sometimes there is a tinge of white in them, and it can bloom twice a year depending on how good you take care of it. The genetic composition of this orchid is mostly of the Cattleya orchids, so you want to take care of it like you're taking care of any other Cattleya orchid. The one notable characteristics of Cattleytonia is it may require a little bit more brighter area than the actual regular Cattleyas. Also, it needs a little bit more humidity, but minding the plant is always small and compact, so the watering should be checked. You may need to dry it out before you keep over watering it all the time. Overall, this is an easy plant to grow. It's not very finicky, and because of its compact nature, it's very suitable for small spaces. And if you want to use it as a windowsill plant or in areas where it's like a little bit more smaller in space, that's your plant right there. But remember, this is a very beautiful and almost rare orchid. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.